In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add Klaviyo Popup to Shopify. To begin, make sure you are signed in to your Klaviyo account and that your pop-up has already been created and saved as a draft. This process is about taking that draft form, publishing it, and then connecting it to Shopify so it can display on your store. First, go to the Sign Up Forms section in Klaviyo. This is where Klaviyo keeps all of your forms, including pop-ups, flyouts, and embedded forms. Once you are there, open your pop-up drafts. If you have several drafts, take a moment to confirm you are selecting the correct one by checking the form name and the general look of the preview. This helps avoid publishing the wrong version by accident. After you open the draft, you will be taken into the editor. In the editor, click Publish. Publishing is what makes the form available to be used on a live site, but it still needs to be enabled and connected to the right platform to actually appear for visitors. When you publish, a confirmation message will appear that says it was published successfully. In that same message, click Enable. Enabling is important because a form can be published but still turned off. If you skip enabling, your pop-up will not display, even though it looks like it is ready. Next, you will be prompted to connect the form to your site. Choose the option that says Integrate with your website platform. Then open the drop-down and select Shopify. This tells Klaviyo where the form should run and ensures it is configured for Shopify stores. Once Shopify is selected, your pop-up is set up to be served through your Shopify integration. As a final quick check, make sure you are working in the correct Klaviyo account for the store you want, and confirm the form is enabled so it can actually show to customers. And that is all there is to it.